In this video, I show you how to fix a settings needs your review problem on Facebook. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, tap on force stop, okay, then tap on storage and cache, then manage space, then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search for Facebook app. Now tap on Facebook. Now update your Facebook app if available from here. After updating Facebook, then open. Then log into your account. Then save. Now I hope that this method fix a settings needs your review problem on Facebook app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.